Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. Today we are looking at the e-yooso X31 wireless mouse, designed for comfort, precision and long-lasting performance. Let's check out if it's worth your attention. The X31 features an ergonomic, anti-sweat design that's perfect for larger hands. Made with comfortable, contoured shape, it includes finger rests and textured anti-slip grip, allowing long, strain-free usage. With 6 buttons including the forward and back option, it's ideal for quick web browsing. This mouse comes with 5 DPI levels, ranging from 800 to 4800, making it adaptable for tasks from precision work to fast navigation. You can also toggle the polling rate for more accurate movements. The 2.4 GHz wireless connection ensures a reliable, lag-free experience up to 10 meters away. Powered by a single AA battery, the X31 boasts an impressive 18-month battery life. It has a smart auto sleep mode that activates after 8 minutes of inactivity to save power, easily waking up with a click. The mouse is compatible across a wide range of devices from Windows PC and Chromebooks to Mac and Linux systems. Just note that the side buttons aren't compatible with the Mac OS. So whether you're using a laptop, desktop or Surface devices, the X31 has you covered. Let's break down the pros and the cons of the X31. So here are the pros and here are the cons. To wrap it up, the X31 wireless mouse is a solid option for those seeking comfortable precision and versatility on a budget. If you're looking for a reliable and user-friendly wireless mouse, the X31 is definitely worth considering. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.